Policy evaluation is the systematic process of assessing a public policy to determine whether it has achieved its objectives, how effectively it has been implemented, and what improvements are needed. It helps governments make informed decisions about continuing, modifying, or discontinuing policies. Approaches to policy evaluation. Goal-oriented approach measures whether the policy achieved its stated objectives. Compares actual outcomes with expected goals. Example: a literacy policy aims for a 95% literacy rate. Evaluation checks whether this target was reached. Process evaluation examines how the policy was implemented. Focuses on administrative procedures, coordination, and resource use. Example: evaluating whether scholarships reached students on time. Outcome evaluation assesses the immediate effects of a policy. Determines whether beneficiaries experienced positive changes. Example: measuring whether a healthcare policy reduced disease cases. Impact evaluation studies the long-term social, economic, and environmental effects. Identifies intended and unintended consequences. Example: evaluating whether a rural employment scheme reduced poverty. Cost-benefit evaluation compares the total costs with the benefits generated. Determines whether the policy provides value for money. Example: comparing the cost of building hospitals with improvements in public health. Comparative evaluation compares similar policies across different states or countries. Identifies best practices and lessons. Example: comparing education policies of different Indian states. Participatory evaluation involves citizens, beneficiaries, NGOs, and stakeholders. Collects feedback from those directly affected. Example: farmers evaluating agricultural subsidy programs. Effectiveness: did the policy achieve its intended objectives? Efficiency: were resources used economically? Were maximum results achieved with minimum cost? Relevance: does the policy address current public needs and priorities? Equity: are benefits distributed fairly among all sections of society? Sustainability: will the policy continue producing benefits in the future? Impact: what positive and negative changes resulted from the policy? Responsiveness: does the policy respond to citizens' needs and changing conditions? Accountability: are policymakers and implementing agencies responsible for policy outcomes? Issues in policy evaluation. Lack of reliable data, incomplete or inaccurate information reduces evaluation quality. Political influence. Political pressure may bias evaluation findings. Difficulty in measuring outcomes. Some policy impacts, such as social justice or public trust, are difficult to quantify. Time lag. Long-term effects may take years to become visible. Limited financial and human resources. Insufficient funds and skilled evaluators affect evaluation quality. Attribution problem. Difficult to determine whether outcomes are caused by the policy or other external factors. Stakeholder conflicts. Different groups may have conflicting opinions about policy success. Resistance to evaluation. Government departments or officials may resist evaluation due to fear of criticism or accountability. Importance of policy evaluation. Measures policy performance. Improves government accountability and transparency. Supports evidence-based decision-making. Identifies strengths and weaknesses. Enhances efficient use of public resources. Improves future policy making. Conclusion. Policy evaluation is a crucial stage of the public policy cycle. By using appropriate evaluation approaches and criteria, governments can determine whether policies are effective, efficient, equitable, and sustainable. Despite challenges such as data limitations, political influence, and resource constraints, systematic evaluation leads to better governance, informed policymaking, and improved public welfare.